What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use Web 2.0 to increase your Google traffic. I just draw it in diagram and I'm going to explain to you step-by-step guide how to use Web 2.0 to increase your Google traffic. It's a simple method. I'm going to show you what you need to do step-by-step, guys. So if you're new in this channel, subscribe and turn the notification bell. Once I update anything concerning SEO, you will get notification. Not just that, if you have anything bothering you within SEO, leave the comment section. I'm going to reply as soon as possible. So let's go down to the business. Now, to get traffic with Web 2.0 is very simple, and you need to ask yourself, what is Web 2.0? Web 2.0 are those websites where you can be able to create a subdomain or have opportunity to create a free website and publish your content without paying for monthly or yearly annual payment. But in that case, I'm not going to stress everything because a lot of you have talked much about Web 2.0 on this channel, and also today I just want to show you the right method to boost your Web 2.0. Most of the Web 2.0 come with 0 DA, some come with higher DA, but in some cases we need to just throw more quality backlink to our Web 2.0 to generate more link juice to pass to our website. But the easiest way to do that is using a PBN network. And what is PBN network? Is a private blog network. You don't need to own a PBN network before you do that. You can easily go to any website they offer, freelancer website, to buy PBN. But let me explain to you what you need to do in your Web 2s before you start any other process by powering that Web 2s. Now, in that case, this is your Web 2.0. I keep saying something: when you create Web 2.0, make sure you have at least 4 to 5 content, and those content should be unique, and those content should also have low keyword difficulty, so Google can reward those content even though you're not getting traffic from the content. Let it be that you're getting impression, so you can use the PBN network to power the Web 2s. Not just the traffic only, your Web 2s can serve as a link buffer to boost your main blog website, which is your money site. So in that case, I would advise you to create more quality content in your Web 2.0. Don't spam the process. I keep saying this: create a Web 2.0, put content on it, at least 4 to 5 content which is unique with low keyword difficulty and is long tail keyword. Leave it at least 1 month to 2 months or 2 weeks, then come back and add your website URL. So once you are done by creating your Web 2.0 for, like, let's say you create a Web 2.0 is up to 2 months, then you can be able to invest money by building a PBN network to that your Web 2.0. This is going to be a massive traffic for your website. So I'm going to show you something you need to start doing in terms of link building too, not just Web 2.0. And Web 2.0 is also backlink, depending on how you do the strategy. Okay, but I'm going to tell you something, the important thing you need to understand about today's tutorial. In terms of building backlink, don't just build backlink only to homepage. Build backlink to category. Build backlink to those content that have more difficulty. Like, say, even though it's 10 difficulty, a lot of high quality domain are ranking on those keywords. You have to go extra mile pointing backlink to your content, and make sure you engage yourself in internal linking. If you check most of my video, you're going to see where I talk about building internal linking. Internal linking happens within your website, linking from your old content to new content and from new content to old one. So this is a good strategy of engaging more link juice. Let's say, for example, let me show you something right now. Let's say your Web 2s or your backlink or your content, let's say this is your content, okay, and this content receive 20,000 daily traffic, and you have a related topic here. That related topic receive only 200 people daily, and this content is related. Since this one is getting high traffic, why not do internal linking and push that 20,000 users down to here? This is the strategy of internal linking. Okay, pardon me guys. So this is what you need to know. Those content that receive more traffic from your website, do internal linking to push it to what those ones that receive low traffic. It's an opportunity to boost and increase the amount of people coming to this page. Now, the best strategy of internal linking, let me repeat myself again, the best strategy of internal linking is looking for those pages on your website that have higher traffic, then push internal linking from that higher traffic down to those pages in your website that have low traffic. Okay, it's going to be a good signal to Google, and Google will start rewarding those ones, even though it's not going to be as much as people clicking from here to here. Once an active page that receives more traffic is linking to a low page, is also going to be a ranking signal. Understand that. So in that case, finding web 2.0, which I just explained, building web 2.0, creating nice unique content is also going to be a boost up and a ranking factor, and Google will not see it as if you are trying to build out links, spamming links. But the easiest way you need to do this is for you to create a nice content. Any content you are linking from web 2.0 to your blog, which is you are linking from web 2.0 to that URL in your website, make sure that that URL have internal linking. So the next thing you need to consider is building a PBN network to boost those web 2.0 property. That's just the simple metrics there. If you have any question concerning this topic, make sure you leave a comment. I'm going to reply as soon as possible. And if you have any problem facing in doing SEO, and you can be able to hook up to my live video I normally do every day. Sorry, not just every day. I do it twice in a week, sometimes once in a week. So you can come up online and write down your question. I can be able to attend your question. So to get a PBN network, we need to go to SEO Clark. I'm not advertising this company. It's just a platform where you can be able to, get a PBN network. And it's rude if I start telling you guys to order backlink from me. No, that should be your own self decision. Okay, that's why I use these websites as reference. So instead of telling you to order my backlink, that means I'm forcing you to order for my service. So that's why I use these ones as reference. You can easily come here. If you don't want to order service from me, you can easily come here and adjust your price and type PBN network. Just leave it PBN, which means private blog network. Real estate can do this. If you're into real estate, a real estate local business, or maybe you have crypto website, or you have any type of website, you can still utilize this opportunity to increase your organic traffic, getting Google traffic. The only way to get Google traffic is sending quality links to those content, to those categories, to those important pages that need to be ranked. Those pages that have low ranking, you can easily push it more quality backlink, edit the content, add more value to the content, and adjust your keyword placement. If you check a lot of my video and my previous video 2 months to 3 months back, you're going to see keyword research, and I explain about keyword placement. And also I'm going to do a special video concerning keyword placement, because a lot of us don't really know much in terms of keyword placement. There's what they call keyword placement. At the end of the day, you arrive in keyword suffering or spamming. So in that case, there is a lot to understand about keyword, and there is something they call keyword phrase related keyword. So you will not end up repeating the same word on the same page. It's going to look as spamming. In that case, you can also limit your ranking. But when your content is well smooth, written in a good keyword placement, is also going to be a boost up in terms of ranking. So again, in terms of website ranking this year, and also Google just introduced page experience, which is they rank your website based on the facts of your website, how fast your website is. I have a particular VPS server that is very cheap, that you need to just buy that VPS server. I'm not just doing anything to I'm just telling you the best web hosting to use if you want your website to be very speedy. I check the comment section or check the description of this video. You're going to see a particular Contabo where you can be able to get a cheaper VPS server for your website. So if you type PBN, you're going to see something like this. A lot of people offer it for just $5. This is very cheap. You can go with $5, you can go with $20, depending the amount you have. Okay, This person is going to build 10 higher PA and DA which have good TF and CF homepage PBM backlink, which is do follow. It's for just $5. It's a very high quality one. I'm not just referring you to this service, I just want to use it for example. So now what you need to do, your first step is creating a web tools, pushing a good unique content to your web tools, then keep them aside. Don't link it yet. Leave that web tools to spend a month, 2 weeks, come back and edit them and add the URL you want to add inside the PBN, which is inside the web tools. Then you go to these websites, SEO Clark, Fiverr, Upworking, a lot of them that do this kind of service. You can easily come here and order just $5 and push those links to your Web 2.0, depending on amount of Web 2.0 you have. So this is a great signal to to boost everything and for Google to see reason to start increasing your Google traffic and increasing your domain authority and ranking. So if you have any question concerning this topic, ask me and leave the comment section. I'm going to reply. And what I need you to do for me is to type what #free traffic and #Google traffic in 2021. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day.